Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 1.5 of your chapter first set. Okay, so question number first is let u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is given as 2, 4, 6, 8 and c is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to find in first part a complement, in second part b complement, in third part a union c complement, in fourth part a union b complement, and in fifth part a complement whole complement, and in sixth part b minus c complement. So one by one we will solve all the parts. Now first of all we have to solve first part, which is a complement. So for finding a complement, what is a complement? A complement means u minus a. We already have this formula. A complement is equal to u minus a. So a complement is equal to, what is u? See here, what is u? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And what is a? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 will be cancelled with 1, 2 will be cancelled with 2, 3, 4. Now the elements which left in u will be your a complement. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a complement is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now similarly we will find second part b complement. So b complement will be u minus b. Okay. So what is u? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what is b? B is 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will cancel out 2, 4, 6 and 8. So what we left in u, in elements of u, is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is your b complement. Okay. Now we will do third. So third is a union c whole complement. So first we have to find a union c. So for finding a union c, we have to write all the elements of a and c. So what is a? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is c? 3, 4, 5, 6. So first we will write all the elements of a. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the elements which are left in c. So 3, 4 is repeat. We will not repeat it. We have already get it. So we will write 5, 6. So a union c is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to find a union c complement. So what we will do? We will do u minus a union c. So what is u? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our u. And our a union c is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up to 5, 6 we will cut. So what we get? A union c complement is 7, 8, 9. Okay. Like this we will calculate a union c complement. Now fourth part is a union b complement. A union b complement. So first you have to find a union b. So what is a? A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and b is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now a union b, first we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 all the elements of a. Now we will check 2, 4 is repeating. So we will write 6 and 8. That's all. So a union b is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now a union b in complement is u minus a union b. So what is U here? U is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to 9, and here A union B is 1 2 3 4 6 8. So we will cancel 1 to 4 first. Now 6 and 8. So what we get? A union B intersection is only left one is 5 7 and 9. So answer will be 5 7 and 9. Okay. Now fifth one is A complement A. So see, when you use A complement as U minus A, okay, now we want to make this complement. So again we will write here what? A dash up here on behalf of A dash, what we will write? A double dash. So A double dash will give us always A only. Okay, so A double dash always gives us A only. So answer for A dash will be set of A. And what is set of A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Now sixth part we have to find B minus C complement. B minus C complement. So first we have to find B minus C. So what is our set B? Set B was 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, and C was 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. This is our C. So B minus C we have to find. So what is cutting out? 3 4 and this 6. So what we get? B only B minus C we get 2 comma 8, because we always write the values of B. Okay. Now we have to find B minus C complement. So what we will do? Sorry, B minus C complement is U minus B minus C. So what is U? U we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and B minus C is 2 comma 8. So 2 and 8 will be cancelled out. Other than that, all the elements will be your B minus C complement. So 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 9 is your B minus C complement. So like this we will solve all the parts. Let's see one more question of this exercise. Question number 4. If U is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and A is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, and B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, verify that first one is A union B complement, and A complement intersection B complement, and second one is A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay, so first of all we will solve first part. So for finding A union B complement, first we have to find A union B. So A is 2 4 6 8, and B is 2 3 5 7. So A union B will be 2, this 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay. This is your A union B. So for finding A union B complement, you have to use U minus A union B. So in U we all have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and in A union B we have 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 2 will be cancelled, 3 will be cancelled, 4 5 6 7 8. So what we get? In A union B complement we get only 1 comma 9. Now we will find A complement. So A complement will be U minus A. So in U, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in A 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 se 2 cancel, 4, 4, 6, 6 and 8. So what we get in A dash? We get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and in B complement it is U minus B. I am writing directly. You can solve like this also. Okay, so U minus B. So this 2, 3, 5, 7 will be cut out, and other than that all the elements will be there. So it is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, now we have to find A complement intersection B complement. It means the elements which are same. So 1 is same. First of all, 1 is same, and any other 9 is same. So 1 comma 9. So let's see, A union B complement is also 1 comma 9, and A complement intersection B complement is also 1 comma 9. Therefore we can say that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Okay, let's see the second part. Second part of this question. So A intersection B complement we have to find is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay, so first we have to find A intersection B. And what is A? We have A as 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and B as 2, 3, 5, 7. So check the similar elements. So similar elements are A intersection B, only 2 is there. Okay, only 2. So we have to find A intersection B complement, which is U minus A intersection B. So it means only 2 will be cancelled out, other than all the elements will be there. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get A intersection B complement as only 2 will be not there, and other than that all the elements will be there. Now we have to find A complement union B complement. So first we will find A complement. So what will be A complement? We have find in first part A complement as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And also B complement as, what was B complement? 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now we will calculate the union. So for union we will take both the sets elements. So first of all 1, second 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see, this elements and this elements are same. Therefore A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Hence we have proved. So many more questions are there in this exercise. Try to solve that. If you face any problem, you can ask me. Okay, total 7 questions are there, in which we have discussed 2 questions with their parts. Okay, so try to solve the left questions, and we will discuss on WhatsApp group if you face any problem. Okay, thank you.